Oh man.
What the heck?
Whoa.
This is original.
Yeah, what the hell?
Look at what?
It's their clear version. What the hell? That is weird. Looks like a US Star Trek. Oh, what the hell is that?
Oh, it's a square D button.
No, it's not. It's like,
Oh.
it's literally a chunk of plastic.
Oh, no, it doesn't float.
What the hell is this?
Look at this.
There's like zip tie holding that
This
sheet.
is original because it has that.
What? Indicator's all messed up.
Yeah. That's that.
Let's take a second try to be quiet. So weird.
These are weird buttons. This is so weird. This whole thing is weird. I literally see the actual buttons.
So weird how it stops at every floor on the way up. What the hell? Oh, it's got the arrows.